No. Go. Go straight, go straight. Look at that. Yes. You know how to... Alright, do you know how to turn? Woo! Watch your hand. Keep going. Yay, Chris. Yay! Okay. Ready? Ready?
Wait, Mommy.
Okay. Alright, ready? Chris, you no, I didn't say go yet.
Okay.
Ready? Go! Oh, hey! You okay, Landon? Oh, I'm sorry. Here, it's okay. Here. Alright. It's okay. Take a little break. Take a little break. Let me see. Let me see. Can I see you, please? Oh, I'm sorry. You're okay now. What is it, Eddie? That's okay. We can do it again, alright? You want to do it again? Good job, Chris. Alright, Eddie. Let go of Landon's bike, please. No, Eddie. Okay, Eddie, come on. Get out of the way. Oh, watch out. You're going to run over your brother.